Hey everybody, Nikki here with MascaraGeek.com. So if you caught my last video, then you saw my protein mask, and this is 2 days after, so it's curl refresh day. If you have curly hair, you don't want to wash your hair more than probably once a week, if you can get away with it, and you don't even want to use shampoo. You want to use a co-wash, you want to use conditioner, and things like that, because actually using shampoo too much encourages your scalp to get oily. So this way it takes a little bit of time, but you train your scalp to produce less oil. So today, to refresh my curls, I've got my trusty dollar store spray bottle with a good about a teaspoon or so of conditioner and then just water. So all I'm gonna do now is mist my hair. Just getting it wet again. Give it a good misting. You'll want to have a towel handy so that you can wipe your bathroom floor so it's not all slippery. Then I'm going to scrunch. Give her a good scrunch all over. And then you'll know where you need to mist again, type of thing. Scrunchy scrunch, misty mist. Super, super easy to refresh your curls. That's a pretty good refresh. I think I need a little more spritz right here because silly me, I slept with my hair down last night, so that's kind of a no-no. Usually you either want to sleep with your hair in like a plop or on top of your head like a messy type bun or a high pony so that you don't scrunch your curls all up. And also it helps if you have a satin pillowcase because then your hair can move around more freely. See how easy that is? Just freshen it up. Super, super easy. Doesn't have to be complicated. So if you don't have a lot of time during the week, then maybe make the weekend your wash days and then refresh through the week using this method. Look how easy that is. Like a complete transformation. And again, that's just water and conditioner in that bottle. Nothing fancy. The conditioner that I've been using right now is Marc Anthony's Strictly Curls, and it smells really good. I don't know if that one's like 100% curly girl approved, but I like it. So yeah, this is my curl refresh, and I might tweak it a little bit as I go through the day because I work from home, so I have that luxury. And there you have it. Beautifully refreshed curls. Super easy. Took less than 5 minutes. Have a good day. Thanks for watching. Bye.